In the world of technology, new gadgets and devices are being created every day, and it can be hard to keep up with all the latest developments. But there are some gadgets that stand out from the rest, either because of their innovative design, unique features, or sheer coolness. Here are 12 of the coolest gadgets you will definitely enjoy. 𝗚𝗏𝗂𝗏. 𝗚𝗏𝗂𝗏 is a revolutionary tripod designed for photographers who value speed and efficiency. It's the world's fastest tripod, with the ability to set up in just 4 seconds. The 𝗚𝗏𝗂𝗏 is also incredibly lightweight, weighing only 1.3 pounds, making it easy to carry around for any photography adventure. The 𝗚𝗏𝗂𝗏 is designed to work with a range of cameras and lenses. It can support cameras up to 6.6 pounds and extends up to 5.25 feet. The tripod also features a built-in leveling system, allowing for quick and easy setup on uneven terrain. The 𝗚𝗏𝗂𝗏 is made from carbon fiber, a high-quality material that is lightweight yet strong. The tripod also features a unique design with 3 extending legs that can be set up at different angles to create a stable and secure base. It's perfect for outdoor photography, travel, and any situation where speed and ease of use are essential. 𝗚𝗂𝗃. 𝗚𝗂𝗃 is the world's first 3-lens 4K 360-degree camera designed for capturing high-quality videos and photos in stunning detail. It allows users to capture the world around them in immersive 360-degree views, making it perfect for vlogging, live streaming, and social media content creation. 𝗚𝗃𝗃 is very lightweight, weighing only 6.5 ounces. It features 3 fisheye lenses that capture a full 360-degree view with up to 4K resolution. The camera also features advanced stabilization technology, ensuring that your videos are smooth and stable. The camera is easy to use, with simple controls and intuitive settings. It connects to your phone via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, allowing you to control the camera and edit your footage directly from your smartphone. The 𝗚𝗃𝗃 also features a range of modes, including time-lapse, slow motion, and HDR, allowing you to capture stunning footage in any environment. 𝗙𝗏𝗏. 𝗙𝗏𝗏 is a revolutionary treat-tossing dog camera that allows pet owners to keep an eye on their furry friends and interact with them from afar. 𝗙𝗏𝗏 has a sleek design, weighing only 2.1 pounds and measuring 5.91 by 4.72 by 8.86 inches. The camera features a 1080p HD video, a 160-degree wide-angle view, and night vision, allowing owners to see their pets clearly even in low-light conditions. The treat-tossing features allows owners to dispense treats to their pets remotely using the 𝗙𝗏𝗏 app on their smartphones. The app also sends real-time barking alerts and lets owners speak to their pets, giving them peace of mind that their furry friends are safe and happy. Overall, 𝗙𝗏𝗏 is an excellent choice for pet owners who want to keep an eye on their pets while they're away from home. 𝗚𝗏𝗧 Stabilizer. The 𝗚𝗏𝗧 Stabilizer is a motorized camera gimbal that allows users to capture smooth video footage while on the move. Weighing just 1.3 pounds and measuring 11.8 inches long, it's a portable and lightweight accessory that can easily fit in a camera bag. The gimbal is equipped with a powerful motor that stabilizes the camera and cancels out any movements or vibrations, resulting in smooth and steady footage. It can handle cameras weighing up to 2.6 pounds and has a battery life of up to 8 hours on a single charge. The 𝗚𝗏𝗧 Stabilizer also features various modes including pan follow, lock mode, and POV mode that allows users to capture a wide range of shots and perspectives. The device is easy to use and can be controlled via a smartphone app or through the joystick on the handle. The 𝗚𝗏𝗧 Stabilizer is an excellent tool for anyone who wants to capture professional-looking video footage. 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 is a smart air purifier designed to clean the air in your home or office. The 𝗏𝗏𝗏 air purifier uses photocatalytic oxidation, UVC radiation, and a natural filter made from plants to remove pollutants and impurities from the air. The photocatalytic oxidation technology creates a chemical reaction that breaks down pollutants into harmless compounds, while the UVC radiation eliminates bacteria and viruses. The natural filter made from plants absorbs harmful chemicals and pollutants. The purifier is also connected to a mobile app that allows users to monitor the air quality in real time. The 𝗏𝗏 air purifier is designed to be eco-friendly, consuming just 10 watts of power and having a CADR, or clean air delivery rate, of 200 cubic meters per hour, which means it can purify the air in a room up to 25 square meters in size. The 𝗏𝗏 air purifier is manufactured by 𝗙𝗵𝗲, an Italian company started by Paolo Ganis and Vincenzo Vitiello. The company was born out of the founder's desire to create a natural and effective solution for air purification that was also eco-friendly. 𝗙𝗂𝗃. 𝗙𝗃 is an eco-friendly ice cooling device that allows you to cool your space without wasting electricity or harming the environment. It is a small cube-shaped device that uses ice packs to cool the air around it. The 𝗙𝗃 is designed to be placed on a table or desk, and it can cool a small area up to 4 degrees Celsius. To use the 𝗙𝗃, you simply fill the device with 2 ice packs and plug it in. The ice packs will keep the air around the device cool for up to 6 hours, and the device uses only 0.5 watts of power, making it incredibly energy efficient. It is also easy to use and maintain, with a removable outer shell that allows for easy access to the ice packs. 𝗙𝗃 is perfect for anyone looking for a cost-effective way to cool their space. It comes in a variety of colors and styles, allowing you to choose a design that matches your decor. 𝗀𝗏𝗃. 𝗀𝗏𝗃 is a portable, solar-powered cooker that allows you to boil water and cook meals without needing any electricity or gas. The 𝗀𝗏𝗃 uses patented technology to capture sunlight and convert it into heat, which is then trapped inside the device's vacuum-sealed cooking chamber. This process can reach temperatures of up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, making it possible to cook meals in just 20 to 30 minutes. It weighs only 2 pounds and has a compact size of 14.17 by 7.09 by 3.54 inches, making it easy to take on outdoor adventures. The company behind the 𝗀𝗏𝗃, 𝗀𝗏, was founded in 2013 with a mission to provide sustainable cooking solutions using solar energy. 𝗏𝗏𝗃. 𝗏𝗏𝗃 is a high-tech air purifier that uses plasma technology to effectively clean indoor air. It is designed to remove 99.9% of airborne particles, including viruses, bacteria, mold, and allergens. The device features a modern design with touch controls and a LED display for easy operation. The 𝗏𝗏𝗃 has a compact size of 14.3 by 7.7 by 19.1 inches and weighs only 13.2 pounds, making it easy to move around and fit in small spaces. It operates at a low noise level of less than 50 decibels and uses only 55 watts of power. The air purifier works by creating positive and negative ions that attach to pollutants and break them down into harmless components. It also features a HEPA filter that captures particles as small as 0.3 microns and an activated carbon filter that removes odors and VOCs. 𝗏𝗏𝗃 was launched by One Life in 2021 and has received positive reviews from customers for its effectiveness and ease of use. It is an ideal solution for anyone looking to improve indoor air quality and create a healthier living environment. 𝗡𝗀𝗄. 𝗡𝗀𝗄 lithium polymer USB rechargeable smart batteries are a high-tech innovation in the world of batteries. These batteries are designed to be durable and long-lasting, with a lifespan of over 5 years. They are also environmentally friendly as they are rechargeable, reducing the amount of waste produced by disposable batteries. The 𝗡𝗀𝗄 batteries are equipped with a USB port, which means they can be easily charged with any USB cable. They're also smart batteries with an intelligent battery management system that monitors the battery's health, temperature, and charging status. These batteries come in a variety of sizes and capabilities ranging from AAA to D, making them suitable for a wide range of devices. With a fast charging rate of up to 1C and a capacity of up to 4,000 mAh, these batteries are a reliable power source for any gadget. 𝗚𝗎stream. The 𝗚𝗎stream is a portable water-powered generator that utilizes the power of water to produce clean, renewable energy. With a compact size of 9.2 by 2.5 inches and a weight of 2.6 pounds, it's easy to carry with you on any outdoor adventure. To use the 𝗚𝗎stream, simply place it in a flowing stream or river and the propeller will start rotating, generating up to 2.5 watts of electricity. This energy can be used to charge your electronic devices such as smartphones, cameras, and tablets via USB. The 𝗚𝗎stream is made of high-quality materials that are designed to withstand harsh outdoor conditions, and it's capable of producing energy at a maximum speed of 4.5 miles per hour. It also comes equipped with a 6,400 mAh battery, allowing you to store energy for later use. 𝗬𝗂𝗇𝗃. 𝗬𝗂𝗇𝗃 is the world's smartest interactive ecosystem, offering a convenient way to grow fresh produce in the comfort of your own home. The 𝗬𝗂𝗇� measures 13.4 by 11 by 16.5 inches and weighs 14.6 pounds. The 𝗬𝗂𝗇� uses advanced hydroponic technology, eliminating the need for soil and allowing plants to grow in a nutrient-rich water solution. The system is designed to be fully automated with built-in sensors that monitor the water and nutrient levels, as well as temperature and humidity in the environment. The 𝗬𝗂𝗇� is capable of growing up to 12 plants at a time, with a maximum output of 96 watts of LED light. The LED lights are customizable and can be adjusted to meet the specific needs of each plant. The 𝗬𝗂𝗇� also comes equipped with a mobile app that allows you to control the system remotely, monitoring the growth of your plants, and receive notifications when the water and nutrient levels need to be replenished. 𝗬𝗟. 𝗬𝗟 is a revolutionary hand-drying solution that provides a hygienic and eco-friendly alternative to traditional paper towels. The system uses high-speed air jets that release a powerful blast of air to dry hands in just a few seconds. 𝗬𝗟 weighs 3.3 pounds and measures 9.1 by 10.6 by 7.7 inches. It's designed to be wall-mounted, saving valuable space in bathrooms and other facilities. The system is energy efficient, using only 900 watts of power, and it's capable of drying up to 25 pairs of hands per minute. The air filter system removes bacteria and other contaminants from the air, providing a clean and hygienic environment for users. 𝗬𝗟 was founded in early 2020 as a sub-brand of Signair, a company focused on fluid dynamics. If you like the video, check out this video Amazing Cool Tools for any DIY work.